is Matt for AVNation.tv. We are here in lovely Las Vegas, Nevada for Infocomm 2018. We are here in the FSR booth with my friend Chaz Porter. How are you, sir?
Matt, I'm doing great. Thanks for coming in and seeing us.
Hey, thanks for chatting with us again. Last we talked was ISE, I think.
That's correct.
We had a great time in Amsterdam, but we're here in Las Vegas. We're standing in front of some of your new table boxes. Table boxes are one of those form and function devices. Everybody needs them. You don't want cables all over the place, draped up over the side of tables. But occasionally, let's be honest, table boxes hit that function side a little bit more than the form.
Absolutely.
These look a little different than some of your previous offerings. Tell us what's going on.
You know, Matt, we've done a lot of studies in the field over the last 18 months, and what you just said is exactly right. AV manufacturers tend to worry about the function of products and not the form. So we've done a lot of work with consultants in the contract furniture business to help update our look. And this year we've reintroduced two of our product lines with a brand new look. It's cleaner, sleeker. Our T6 line has been updated to the CT6 line.
Okay.
Our RT6 line updated to a CRT6 line, more contemporary, more sleek. Yeah. And in addition to that, we're introducing a brand new line of table boxes called the Symphony line.
Okay.
And the Symphony line is available in three form factors. The first one you see here is a clamp-on style box.
Okay.
It features AC and USB charging, plus connectivity for HDMI or data.
All right.
And we are the first manufacturer that makes a clamp-on style box of this size that actually gives you the video component.
Right.
Most of the other manufacturers are just power and data, which, as you know, doesn't work for the AV world.
Well, it helps you a little bit, but it doesn't really solve that problem.
Absolutely, absolutely. And the interesting thing is, we talk in our business more and more about wireless. Mm-hmm. Well, with all the demand of wireless, people are still looking for the reliability of a table box.
Right.
So with a clamp-on style box, you get that ability to put it on the table real quick. Okay. And if you don't need it for the situation, it can be removed and stored.
Well, there's a lot of applications where this is really important because you run into situations where a table can't be drilled into.
Absolutely.
Or it's metal, or it's glass, or it's a historical piece. And they won't let us, believe it or not, cut a big old hole in the middle of it. This is the perfect solution for that.
Absolutely. And in higher education, one of the things that a trend we're seeing is that a classroom may be used for one style of teaching this year or this semester.
Right.
Next year, the room gets reconfigured for a different use. With a clamp-on style box, it's very adaptable for whatever the final method that they're going to use.
I understand. Okay, so this is all brand new and really cool to look at.
Absolutely.
What else are you guys showing that's new and exciting?
We've got a lot of new exciting products. Last year we introduced a brand new line of wall boxes, and the funny thing is, every time we introduce a box, people want it larger.
Of course.
So last year we introduced the PWB 320. This year we have the 320 XL.
Okay.
It is the original box was 14 by 14. This box is 14 by 22. It fits in either a 16-inch or a 24-inch stud bay.
Wow.
So when you've got lots of devices to put behind your display, we've got a box with a place to put those things.
Now, when we start talking about back boxes like that, is this something that is fire rated? Does this meet all those codes?
That box isn't specifically fire rated, but we do have a full family of wall boxes that are fire rated, and we're beginning to see in the hospitality market and the medical markets, fire rated walls are becoming critical to every installation.
Right. So to get back to the larger boxes for a minute, when we start talking about those larger form factors, do they still accept some of the retractors and some of the other things that are available?
Absolutely. We have a version of that box that you can actually put two retractors into the wall, and it creates a mini collaboration system.
Right.
We're seeing customers have portable tables, roll them right up to the wall. The retractors give you the capability of pulling your cabling right out of the wall, meet very quickly. When you're done, cables go back up, table goes back where you want it. It's a perfectly functional space.
That's really helping. Flexible. That's really helping with the flexibility, right?
Absolutely.
Because again, people are not stuck on a single design or a single format of a room. That's fantastic. Anything else that we should know about?
Well, we are introducing our new HuddleVu Air product, which is a simple collaboration system
It's a scaling 4x1 switcher that gives you 2 HDMI inputs,
Okay.
a VGA input, and the last input is wireless.
All right.
It supports Miracast and AirPlay, so it's very, very simple to connect, very, very simple to use, and very cost effective.
That's fantastic. If people want to find out more information, where do they do that?
You can visit our website at www.fsrinc.com or get a hold of me at chaz.fsr on Twitter.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Thanks,
For
Matt.
more footage from the show floor and to learn more about AVNation, please visit avnation.tv. That's avnation.tv.